Alright guys, good morning. Welcome back here to Shoutout Philippines. So today in the middle of our training, we actually have a walk-in customer for window tinting service. So we had to take a quick pause and prioritize our walk-in customer for the window tinting. So we have a brand new Ford Territory. This is really a nice car, guys. I think this is one of the best looking cars that I've seen in recent time in the market that's available here in the Philippines. And if you also drive it, I can guarantee you the car feels amazing. All right, so our customer today came straight from the car dealer. I think the car was released yesterday, and straight from the car dealer is bringing it here for window tinting service. So we're going to be tinting this with our top of the line nano ceramic tint, the Arctic series, so the customer can expect the highest level of sun protection that we currently offer here at Shoutout Philippines. So we've already prepped the car. We had it already serviced in our wash area, and now we're easing in the window tinting studio there, and so we're going to start working on this vehicle. So let's take a quick tour of the vehicle. You can see here the dashboard is so wide, 360 camera connected to the cluster, or the gauge cluster, and then we have here the vehicle. Again, the vehicle is brand new, so you will notice that we'll have to wipe that clean, but anyway, the glass is clear. There's no tint in this vehicle because, again, the customer straight from the car dealer wanted the car to be tinted. Okay, so let's go out and let's witness the beauty of this vehicle from the outside perspective. And that's the Ford Territory for you guys. Really good looking car, and white as well, goes well with our window tinting facility. So we're going to show you an update later today, so stay tuned after we tint this brand new vehicle. Thank you guys, and we'll see you here at Shoutout Philippines. Have a good day.